Hello beautiful people. So today you guys, I'm bringing you guys a hair review. This hair is from ISEE hair. It is a Mongolian Kinky curly hair. So starting with the inches that I have on my head, I have a 12-inch and two 14s. So I installed it using a cap, and then I made the cap into a U-part wig. So I have my leave out, out, and towards the end of the video I'll show you guys how I made it blend with my 4C hair. So the details on this hair, let's start with the shipping. It came pretty fast. Even though I did have to change my address, it came within like a week. I want to say I ordered it on Monday and it came actually that Friday. Yeah, it came that Friday, which is actually very surprising because sometimes some hair companies take a little bit longer than that. Hair, it came in like this cute little pink bag. It came with instructions on the inside, and then it came also with these really pretty lashes. This box is so cute. It's like a little glittery box. I haven't worn the lashes yet, but they're really cute. When I got the hair, it was in like a really tight coil, and I really didn't like that, so I decided to go ahead and co-wash it. It did have like a slight smell to it, but as soon as I co-washed it, it went right away. So I've only had this hair in for 3 weeks, so that's what I'll be giving my review off from. I haven't had it in that long. I would give the maintenance like a 5 out of 10, only because I like to get up and go with my hair, and with this hair you have to basically detangle it, brush it out, wet it every single day. Every day. And it does take up quite a bit of my time in the morning, so I have to make extra time in order to do my hair, which versus straight hair it would be less maintenance because I literally just 1 2 3 with the flat iron and go. So as far as shedding, I only get shedding when I wet the hair every day and I comb it out with my Denman brush. That's really pretty much it when I really do get shedding. If I were to run my fingers through my hair right now, I don't know what the heck. I literally only have like one strand. Let me do the other side. Maybe got like 2-3 strands, which isn't much, but it's curly hair, so it's gonna shed regardless. As far as the tangling's really not that bad. I can run my fingers through it pretty straight as of right now. I would say like if I were to go to sleep and put a bonnet on and then wake up in the morning, the tangling is pretty bad, but of course since I slept on it, it's gonna be not matted up, but basically tangled. But it's nothing that a water and it like a spray bottle and some leave-in conditioner can't fix. So to be honest, the tangling's not that bad. I do get a little bit of tangling though in the nape area. I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's only a little bit, and I feel like if you wear it throughout the day and then you come back at night and then you try to run your fingers through it, you'll be able to get your fingers through it, but like not as much. I ordered this hair. I actually ordered it from the ISEE hair company website. I didn't order from Amazon or AliExpress. I ordered it from the actual website. Bought it for $80 including shipping and handling. And this is what the hair looks like when I first wake up or when I take it out of a bonnet. So I have to basically do this curly hair routine every single day when I wake up in the morning, and the first thing that I do is I wet the hair. But when I do wet the hair, I wet it in sections. So I'm just going to take a simple spray bottle. It has nothing in it but water. I find that with this hair, less product is more. So I'm just going to separate it. I'm going to choose this first section right here, and sometimes I don't mind if a little water gets on my real hair. It's okay. So afterwards, you're gonna take your Denman brush and you're just gonna brush the hair. Where this hair is. This hair is rough. Okay. And if you see me guys like looking in a different direction, try to look at my camera so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so that was my first section. I don't know if you guys can see the curl pattern, but the curl pattern is actually really pretty once you like comb it out and stuff like that. little bit. And I try to dry it with the towel as much as possible because I really don't like walking out the house with really like soaking wet. Even damp hair. I really don't like walking outside the house with damp hair either. That's a curl pattern. When it's wet, who's focusing? Yep. And then I'm just gonna basically do the same thing that I did to this side to this side. Okay, so this side is done now. I'm just gonna take a towel and make it as dry as possible because, like I said again, we don't want any damp, really damp, or like soaking wet hair or anything like that. This is the hair when it's wet. Nice juicy curls. Cute. So now I like to take, I think this Cream of Nature coconut milk leave-in conditioner, and I just like to spray the ends with this. And when I spray it, I don't like to spray a lot, like maybe like 4 sprays on each side. That's literally it, because I feel like the more product I put in it, I just put a couple of sprays in it and that's literally it. I feel like the more product you put in it, the more defined it is, and I like it to be more like on the frizzy side, if that makes sense, and more fluffy. So I feel like with water and just a tiny bit of leave-in conditioner, it makes it more fluffy and just a little bit frizzy, because you know I try to blend it in with my 4C hair. So after I'm done putting leave-in conditioner on, I like to take just your regular old blow dryer, and I like to take it and just put it on a warm low heat setting and just put it up against my hair so that it dries faster, because like I said, I don't like walking out of the hair with really damp hair. So I'm just going to do that until it gets, I want to say like 75% dry. I want to say 80% dry. This is what it looks like after I'm done, and most of the curls are defined, but I like my hair to be a little bit fluffy, so I like to not pick it out, but like run my fingers through it a little bit, because I like it to be big and frizzy. I like to separate it. I mean, if you like the curls to be, you know, more defined and less like big, then I would not recommend separating the hair to make it more full. I like the sides and the back to be full. I like to take my fingers and go like this to create some volume in my hair. So now that my hair is done, we can now move on to blending it with my real hair, which is kind of the hard part, okay? So now that my hair is done, we can go ahead and blend it in with my real hair, since that's honestly the hardest part, because some days it blends, some days it doesn't. It just depends on if I take my time or not with it. I have this clip in here to kind of blend it in, because it is a little bit hard since this hair is like a 4, I want to say like a 4A. And this clip-in right here is from my video that I made with the Outre 4C clip-ins. I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want to take a look at it. But yeah, that clip-in is from that hair, because this clip-in, it like blends with my hair and this hair. It kind of just ties everything together, if that makes sense. So I usually just take it and I'll just put this I just snap that right there, and then I kind of gotta like manipulate it and make the hair underneath frizzy. And then my hair on top, I just blend it together. Oops, dang it, came out. There you go. Because my hair is very short, so I don't think my hair would be able to blend with this hair by itself. I tried and it did not go very well, or did not go as planned. So I'm just trying to make, trying to make this hair back here a little frizzy so it'll match the little mini clip-in that I made that I put in. So I think it looks pretty good. Towards the back, I like to take a piece and like twist it in. So that it blends more. It's not looking all types of crazy. I think that looks pretty good. I just need to put some edge control on, but I think that looks pretty good for now. Yeah. So now this side, right here, I still feel like the curls are like a little too, I don't know. Ooh, hair. And okay, so now I'm just flipping it out to make it look a little bit more on the frizzier side. There we go. And my hair is really short on both sides, so I had to make clip-in pieces for both sides. So I literally just took a track. This is a 12-inch. I just took the track, put some clip-ins on it. Hope you guys can see. Put some clip-ins on it so that I could just bloop, stick it in between my hair, because without the clip-in, my hair will not blend in whatsoever. So yeah. Right now, I'm just taking out the twist. I'm done taking out both twists. So when I put this clip in my hair, I like to put it somewhat in the middle of this part. So I like split it into, oops, sorry. And yeah, I'll just split it into for now. I just split it in two. I have the little clip-in things right here open, and I'm just gonna stick it. You guys can see this right there. There we go. And then okay, so after I'm done sticking that in, I'm just gonna take these and twist them in with the hair clip-in that I just put in. So I'm twisting this one, twisted that one with it, and then I twist this with this here. And then I just keep twisting it in with the hair. Sometimes it looks a little frizzy at the top when I'm like rushing to do my hair, but sometimes I really don't mind. I don't mind the frizziness because I like it. Alright, and I'm just twisting hair together in the back. And see if I can. I'm just flipping the hair, trying to fix it. See this little part sticking out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I do. I'm gonna go get some edge control so that I can gel my edges down really quick. So to gel my edges down, I'm gonna be using Edge Booster, and this is the one that I use. It's the white one. I don't even know what scent this is. Coconut banana scent. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Just gonna take a little bit. Literally just the tiniest bit. So literally it, you guys. That's all I did. I did cut the bang a little bit, by the way, before I did this video, just in case anybody asks. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. See you guys in my next video.